Advance and invest heavily in technology, several organizations and digital payment service providers, especially those dealing in money transfers, have increasingly embraced innovation and are calling on investors to support such platforms. On Wednesday, online payment service provider Virtual Pay marked its achievements since its establishment over 5 years ago, highlighting its growing success and adoption among clients. Currently, Virtual Pay has expanded its operations across several countries in Africa, the Middle East, Asia, and South America, with the goal of reaching a wider global clientele in the digital payments sector.
Specifically, we honestly don't feel that it will change anything in terms of competition, because there is no financial institution, as far as I know, that already has an approved, certified NFC tap-to-pay PIN-on-glass solution in the jurisdiction here in Kenya. We span across about, I think, 16 countries across the world. Yeah. Africa being the leading. I think in Africa we are in about probably 8 countries or so.
When you ask people, they'll say paying by card is expensive, yet paying by card is free. When you look at financial inclusivity and digitization, we say that Kenya is actually at 85%.